interchange, 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 mutual, 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 opinion, 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 emotion, 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 reception, 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 require, 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 understanding, 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 among, among, among.
Hi, welcome to yet another video. Today is actually the 25th day of this journey. We have been on a 31 days reading journey. In case you're just seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome. Now you can actually join this channel simply by subscribing if you love what we do here. And if you're my returning subscriber, you're still welcome to yet another video. I hope you came prepared for today's class. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the video.
Communication, 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 ideas, 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 exchange, 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 parties, 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 common, 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 thoughts, 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 presentation, 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 results, 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 between, 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 information, 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 persons, 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 ideas, 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 communication, 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 people, 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 identified, 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 figure, 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 element, 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 process, 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 encoding, 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 media, 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 noise, 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 channel, 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 message, 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 sender, 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 response, 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 receiver, 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 symbols, 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 being, 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 transformation, 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 target, 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 audience, 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 information, 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 transmitted, 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 random, 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 competing, 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 attention, 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 prospect, 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 intended, 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 interfere, 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 along, 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 reaction, 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 exposed, 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 destination, 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 code, 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 individuals, 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 party, 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 assign, 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 meaning, 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 we each, which, source, 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 communicators, 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 another, 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 development, 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 lead to, lead to, lead to, selecting, 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 manner, 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 combining, 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 achieving, 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 objective, objective, objective. So this is the outcome of our today's pronunciation. So let's put them together and read. Today's topic is on communication. So let's read. Communication is the interchange of thoughts, ideas, and information between two or more people. Communication is the interchange of thoughts, ideas, and information between two or more people. It is the mutual exchange of ideas, facts, thoughts, opinion, emotions that require presentation and reception of results in common understanding between or among people of parties. There are 9 elements of communication. 1. The sender, also called the source or communicator. 2. Message, the set of symbols being transmitted by the sender target audience. 3. Encoding. This is the development of the message by selecting and combining symbols and words in a manner intended to best achieve the objectives of the source. 4. Media, the path or channel through which the message passes from the sender to the receiver. 5. Decoding. This is the process by which the receiver assigns meaning to the message transmitted by the sender. 6. Response. This is the set of reactions the receiver has after being exposed to the message. 7. Feedback. This is the receiver's response, which the receiver communicates back to the sender. 8. Noise. Random and competing messages that may interfere with the intended communication. Noise is anything competing for the attention of prospects alongside the intended message.
So thank you for watching. Keep staying safe and bye for now.